It is dirt biking time. Ready to do this, guys? Here we go. It's go time. Was threatening rain for a bit, but not anymore. What's up, guys? How's it going? It's video day. Freshy. Still got some mud in there.
Yeah, we only got a quick wash.
Quick wash. Got the booner, the Hazelwood, got the drone. Let's do this. We got Matt. We got the drone following Matt. We got Booner with sore hands. Beer cart girl. Oh man, just the day. It's kind of threatening rain, but it's just kind of spitting. So look at this dirt though. Got that fresh dirt, fresh till. So see if Matt can crash the old drone. We got Hazelwood here. After it. You missed the turn. Here's the drone. Trying to keep up with that. Oh man.
Can you catch me?
Let's keep blowing the lines. I made a super inside one over there because it was so muddy.
Yeah, we've been following that one.
If you drop to the outside.
Oh yeah,
It's
the first
pretty
time.
good.
Even like at the end where you hop into that rut.
Pretty deep.
Yeah, it just swallows you.
That's how you like it,
Sure.
Sure. This is a soft spot. Holy. Rust track's pretty nice though, like this, but there's definitely some deep ruts in some spots. It's awesome though. Beauty day for it. Where is it? Avoiding those ruts. Nice little spot through here. Almost feels sandy when you come ripping through her. Glad we got out today. She's threatening rain, but there's only a couple of raindrops. Other than that, she's absolutely awesome. Sweet little track Matt built. Oh, he's down. Hazelwood's down. I'm wondering who kept hitting these trees. Hilarious. Where is Hazelwood? Oh, full of mud.
Mud's shifting for me. In the neutral only though.
Oh, you keep it neutral. Yep. Oh, this is why we all need electric start nowadays. calls it all day. Gonna hit her, Cassie? Eh. Shut her down. She is coming down now. Oh, wasn't supposed to rain a lot, but now it is. Ah, Sean, good shift. I love how you have a paddle tire. Were we hitting the dunes today?
It's actually called a sand wedge.
You're a sand wedge.
I thought it was pretty cool there.
Ugh.
That's a padded for about 8 months.
Oh, really? Jeez. All right, we'll wrap this one up. Cassie, good shift. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you saw Sean's butt crack again. I don't know if you saw that in the last snap, but have a fantastic day. We'll see you later.